Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. This video is also relating to the professional ethics. Suppose if the members of the Bar Association are not happy with the executive body or with the president or vice president, can they remove him summarily without following the due procedure? Certainly no. Likewise, a Bar Association president, he was removed, but when he went to the High Court, he was reinstated. This is what I want to tell in this video. In the case of Ram Sahai Chirolia versus the District Bar Association Datia and another, in WPA number 14,547 by 20 and decided on 26/7/2024, Justice Anand Pathak and R.K. Vani of Madhya Pradesh High Court. They held that due procedure was not followed in severing the membership of Mr. Chirolia, hence he has to be reinstated. Simple wording. మీరు ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో కాలేదు కాబట్టి మళ్ళా రీఇన్స్టేట్మెంట్ అసలు ఏం జరిగినది లెట్ us అండర్స్టాండ్ ఒకసారి ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ దగ్గర, ఎందుకంటే బార్ అసోసియేషన్ కాబట్టి అడ్వకేట్స్కి అందరికీ అవసరం ఉంటుంది. మిస్టర్ చిరోలియా, he worked as the president of Bar Association Datia in 2017 to 2019. సహజంగా ఎలిగేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈయన మీద ఎలిగేషన్ ఏంటంటే that he has not deposited certain amounts of the Bar Association into the bank. In other words, he has misappropriated the same. Being president of the Bar Association, definitely he is accountable for so many things. He has to conduct the meetings. He has to conduct the meetings with the judges. And he has to hold some rallies or dharnas. Yes, as Bar Association, you have to do all these things. And he can collect donations. And somebody receives some injuries, yes, definitely he has to go to the rescue, collect some money and give him, or he can donate some from welfare fund. That is what we are going to discuss. This welfare fund amount was not deposited in the bank. It amounts to misappropriation. He was removed from the presidentship on that account. Please remember. So, let us go to facts. He worked as the president of Bar Association that year in 2017-2019. He failed to deposit certain amounts. Then he was given show cause notice on 30/7/2020, Corona time. Even though he gave reply, his membership was cut or he was dismissed or his membership was taken away on 2/8/2020. Now he has filed a judicial relief. Here the problem is, please remember, definitely there is an act called as the Advocates Welfare Fund Act. That is, in Madhya Pradesh, they call it as Madhya Pradesh Adhivakta Kalyana Nidhi Act. Madhya Pradesh Adhivakta Kalyana Nidhi Act 1992. So according to section 2, clause 8 of this act, they must follow the procedure like approval from the Bar Council of the concerned state, approval from the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh to impeach him or to remove him. Second, they must hold a meeting. That meeting should be consisting of 50% presence. Then they should vote. If the voting goes against him, definitely he can be dismissed. But this process was not done. When the records were verified, no concurrence or no approval from the Bar Council of UP. Second is, they did not conduct any so-called emergency meeting, for which these people, the Bar Association, say that due to Corona, they could not hold the meetings. Who stopped them in holding the Zoom meeting? Is it not? They could have conducted the Zoom meeting, virtual meeting, which they have not done. That means definitely there is a procedural lapse. The association, even though they say that due to COVID-19 they could not hold a meeting, but the dismissal or the severity of the membership, definitely it needs accountability. చెప్పాలి, రీజన్ చెప్పాలి. అందుకే కదా ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యాచురల్ జస్టిస్ ఉన్నాయి, అవే కదా. సో బార్ అసోసియేషన్ ఫెయిల్ టు ఫాలో ద ప్రిస్క్రైబ్డ్ ప్రొసీజర్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ హిజ్ మెంబర్షిప్ ఈజ్ restored. Of course, bar association is allowed to follow the legal remedies. Legal remedies అంటే ఏంటి? Suppose since he failed to repay the money in the bank, or if you allege that he has misappropriated the money, definitely you can file a case of 409 or 409, whatever it is, IPC, present sections, BNS, I can't say so easily, right? So let us see what will happen. Okay, these are all the cases relating to professional ethics, what to do and what not to do by advocate. Final year students, next semester I am going to take it up. Thank you.